Speed test January 2024. Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday January the 5th 2023. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, these 3 puzzles with a speed test, because every first Friday of the month I will do a speed test with the regular puzzles. These 3 regular puzzles. First one I will do is the speed test with the 3 stars Sudoku, without comments, without instructions, and this one will be number 7740, and this one has 26 printed digits, I believe. 27, yeah, 26. All right. Almost 2 minutes pass. It's a speed test without comments, without instructions. So you need this once in a while to train your brain to think faster. So let's get started. 2 minutes already passed. Okay. 8. Here, 8. This should be 8. 8, 7, 7. Need a 4 here, need a 3 and a 5. Come on. 9. Need a 5 here. Come on. 3, 7. No errors, otherwise you need more time. Then 4 here. So 4, 1. 1 here, 1 there. No, 1. 1. 1. Okay. 5. Need a 5 here. 6. Come on. 3. Need a 3 here. This should be the 3. This should be the 5. 5. Here 5. Here 5. Here 5. This should be the 5. This should be the 5. Here 5. Here 5. This should be the 5. Okay. 6. No. 3, 9, 4. 9. Okay. 4. Here. 2 numbers. 2, 7. 7. 2. 3. Need a 3 here. 2, 3, 9. Come on. 2. 2. 2. Okay. Need a 2 there. 6. 6 here. 6. 6. need a 6 here. Wait, 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Come on. 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 4 here. 4. Okay. 4. 9, 3. Come on. Need a 4 here. 9, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and the 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 1 and the 3. 1, 3 and the 7. 1, 3. Oh, here the 1. 3. 3. 3. Need a 3 here. 3. No, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there, okay. 8 and a 9. 8. 8 here. 6. Need a 6 there. 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. 6 and the 6 and the 2. 2 and a 3. 3 here. 3. Need a 1 here. This should be the 9. Here the 9. Here the 1. Here the the 6, I believe. Here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 and a 9. 8 goes there. 9 goes here. This should be the 9. 2 numbers left. 2 and the 7. 1, 2, 3, 9 and the 7. Finish. 7 minutes. 32 minus 2 minutes. 5 minutes and something. Oh, 9 and 3. 9, 3. Okay. Still 9 minutes and 42 seconds. 7 minutes 42 minus 2 minutes. 5 minutes and something. Yeah. Alright. We solved it again. 3 stars. Let me check. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. Alright. Let's move to the second puzzle. The 4 stars Sudoku. Alright, see you later. Until then, bye bye for now.